abusuya asemaba an Kofi Bolt ena afi Derek Kwame Yeboah ena Inusa Ahmed ena afi so Kwame Asare abusuya. These names, they are going to face a year over 20 years plus in prison because of love scam be a poko so kaya enche bia. Now this was the news and circulated Kofi Bolt FBI for on Friday 13th of June 2025 joint operational FBI for ye na omutimi echi Kofi Bolt any DB na keka ho se omutima koye love and romance scam bia oma frauding for over 100 million. They say they will release this statement and this is what they are saying. You see, as a US federal prosecutors have charged 4 Ghanaian nationals: Isaac Oduro Boateng alias Kofi Bolt, Inusa Ahmed alias Pascal, Derek Van Yeboah alias Van, and Derek Kwame Asare alias Boga, with operating an international fraud through romance scam and business email compromise schemes. The accused are said to have targeted vulnerable older American and US businesses, deceiving them into wiring funds to their criminal network. U.S. Attorney J. Clayton described the accused as leaders of a massive conspiracy that laundered the stolen funds to West Africa, where they were largely controlled by figures known as chairmen. The defendant each faced charges including wire fraud, money laundering, conspiracy, and receiving stolen money, carrying potential sentence of up to 20 years imprisonment per count. Asemaba. Kwata. The news on Abusuya Kofi Bolt any conform yensom kam Pascal ena Van ena afi medibia kan we say so Boga one na Patrick Kwame Asare no one your friend Boga na Abusuya. You see omo receive this count no, it include wire fraud, money laundering, conspiracy. Abusuya each you can say count to be each major count to be they are going to receive 20 years plus. Jesus. 20 years per each count. So for like money wire fraud 20 years, money laundering, conspiracy 20 years. Aboboni omodi ni say omo atimi ask me America for money efika kran je say omo a omodro mpani fie so no amotimi afrodi omo and ye dey love a romance kabon so what dey abaye bia no bia to social media no to ne chat ka to ne abaya ne chat nanso na woni yes ankofo e chat we US for some of to do no Isaac Oduro Boateng, that is alias Kofi Bolt, and Inusa Ahmed alias Pascal, Derek Van Yeboah alias Van, and Patrick Kwame Asare also dini Boga Usia. These 4 people each count to be a my face 20 years. And he say they are going to prison for like 30 years plus. Charlie, go for you. The money more broke crowd. They don't have. Hey, follow this page. Follow this page for any update. Be they because be an somewhere Karma Studios. Karma Studios, and I go by the name Sticky the Superstar, your favorite and youngest content creator in your country. Finally out.